Hey guys, Chelsie Jayy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a updated foundation routine. So girl, if you've been wondering what's the new tea on the foundation, because I know you guys have seen the difference, okay? If you want to know how I achieved this look and how I got this beat, okay, then just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it helps me out so much when you do that. Also make sure that you share this video if you do enjoy it. Let's just go ahead and get into the look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chelsie Jayy here. Today we're going to be doing a updated foundation routine. So if you're here to see how I do my foundation now and my steps, my routine, girl, just keep on watching. Of course, we're going to start off with my favorite. I'm going to say this in every video because if this is your first time here, you wouldn't know that I love this product, so I need to make sure I tell you in every video. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is something that I really do like. This is what it looks like. I think this is in the berry flavor, so I'm just going to apply this first. You may notice that my lashes, I did get them filled. I went somewhere else this time, and I kind of like these a little bit more because they're more natural. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Brow Freeze Primer. This primer is bomb. If you like more of a, what is it called? What is it called, girl? You know when they be putting perm on their brows? If you like that look, I can't think of the name right now, but that would be, this product would be perfect for you because it just makes your brow hair stand out. As you can see, I'm just brushing them up and they're already giving that that look. I don't know, I can't think of the look right now, but they're giving. Okay guys, so the brows are pretty much finished for right now. I did apply just a little bit of bronzer on my lid. The first thing that I like to do is go in with my primer. The primer that I've been loving lately, I didn't put down my Milk Hydro Grip because I still kind of use it too, but I've been using the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This primer, girl, is bomb. Like, it makes your face feel so smooth and soft. When you apply it, it feels as if you're putting on moisturizer, and I think that's what I like the most about it because it's not like so sticky. I still like the Milk Hydro Grip. Some people don't like it, some people do, but it's still my girl, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with foundation. I'm going back to my favorite foundation, which is the Anastasia Luminous foundation. If you are a oily girl, just would recommend that you use like a mattifying primer before you apply this because it is a luminous foundation, so it's not going to be, you know, mattifying or anything like that, but I really just love the way it sits on the skin. I'm also going in with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating foundation. These two together, girl, they do what they need to do. I love these two foundations together. So I'm just going to mix these two. The Fenty Beauty is in the shade 350. It's a little bit too light for me. I like my foundations to be just a shade darker because once I apply my powders and things like that, it's just gonna, you know, it's gonna do what it needs to do. I'm gonna apply them with my finger. Well, I'm gonna put it on with my finger, not apply, girl. We're gonna put it on with the finger. These two foundations work really well together. So if you're looking for a new foundation to try, maybe give Anastasia a try. Some people may not like it, some people will, but you know, you just gotta try it and see what works for you. Hopefully you've been having a great week so far. I was supposed to give you guys a vlog last week, but we're gonna work on one this week. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know what happened last week with my vlog. I should have vlogged. Plan on doing a vlog either Sunday, but I don't know if I should do it this Sunday or should I do my Amazon favorites haul. Let me know in the comment section, would you prefer a vlog on Sunday or would you prefer a Amazon favorites? And I also meant to mention the brush that I'm using to blend out the foundation is my F80 brush from Sigma Beauty. Yeah, let me know, girl, what would you prefer, because I don't know if I want to do a vlog by Sunday or if I should do a Amazon favorites haul, because Amazon has been taking my money along with Skims. Skims have been taking my money, y'all. I would have never thought I would have been a Skims girl. That girl, Kim ain't missing. Her stuff is so nice, and I feel like the quality for the most part has been really good. So Skims has really been taking my money. Comment below if she's been taking your money too, because I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one, sis. But yeah, so I'm just blending that foundation out. I'm probably going to add another layer because I am a full coverage type girl. We love full coverage over here. So yeah, I'll probably end up adding another layer. So now I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna tap into my forehead and all over the face, just so that we can make sure we have a nice flawless blend. In order to get like a flawless face, you want to make sure that your base is like nice and seamless and blended. So now I'm gonna use my Forever Skin Correct by Dior. This is in the shade 3.5N. I feel like I want to go back and get another shade just to compare to see which one works better for me. But this is what I'm using right now. I'm just gonna take it and then go ahead and highlight under my eye. So once I apply my concealer, I like to go in with a brush and I like to fan it out. This is just going to make it more easy to blend in my opinion. So I like to just drag it down and blend it into the foundation, if that makes sense. And that's just going to fan everything out. I also like to go upward a little bit to create that like snatched effect. I don't know what I'm trying to say, girl, but this just do what I do. Next, I'm gonna go into my contour. The contour that I like to use is the Walnut by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This is the Walnut foundation stick, and I like to bring it up towards my lace because, of course, we're gonna blend it in. So I'm gonna take this brush. This is an Anastasia brush as well. This brush is this one doesn't have a number, but I'm just gonna take this and go ahead and drag it to contour. And I like to contour a little bit higher than normal. I know we're looking crazy. I know this is like, whoa. Because I usually don't do all of the steps at once. If you want to update a highlight and contour routine, I can do that for you guys this week as well. But yeah, so I'm just going to take my beauty blender and start blending out my contour first. Because again, I want my highlight to be as full coverage as possible. So I'm also going to start blending up that contour into my brows. That's just going to create that nice seamless effect. And so we're just blending up into the brow. This is my favorite part, I think. I'm just taking that beauty blender and I'm just blending out that product. Okay, so next I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. It looks like this. This is way too light. Don't be like me and get a shade way this light. I ordered this online and girl, I was like, you only want to use a little bit, and I like to mix it just with a little bit, like a drop of foundation, just so I can get my shade that I'm looking for, because it is like a little bit too white. So yeah, if you ever find like a concealer is way too light for you, you can mix it with your foundation and then it's gonna get the perfect shade. This concealer is full coverage, girl. It's full coverage, okay? Like if you like a bright under eye, this is perfect for you. But if you don't like a bright under eye, then of course you just use a darker concealer shade. Now I'm gonna take the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. The Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I'm just going to blend under the eye. The powder that I'm going to be using today, it is white. It's okay. The powder that I'm going to be using today is the Dermablend powder. If you know about Dermablend, if you have been using them, but if you've used them before, girl, you already know the tea. Like, Dermablend is fire. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my beauty sponge, and I'm going to start to pat underneath the eye. I'm going to go on top with my Huda Beauty powder. This is my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana Bread. And I'm just going to go ahead and start setting the rest of my face with the powder. And I usually have my powder puff, but I cannot find it. So I'm just going to go ahead and set in my forehead. And then we're going to set the middle of the nose. I'm going to go in with my True Complexion Palette by Black Radiance. You know that this is my baby, okay? Like this palette right here, y'all, it gives, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start contouring the sides of my face. And I'm also going to go in with a little bit of my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'm going to take this e.l.f. powder foundation brush. And I'm just going to start setting the rest of my face. This Sephora Micro Smooth Powder is so bomb, by the way, too. If you have not tried it, give it a try. I haven't tried the Charlotte Tilbury just yet, but I will be trying that very soon. I keep forgetting about it every time I go to Sephora. I'm just cutting the sides of my cheeks just to define my face a little bit more. Okay, so now we're going to move into blush, and then I'm going to add some mascara on my bottom lashes. The mascara that I'm going to try out today is the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara. This is a new product that they just released, so I'm just going to go ahead and try that out because why not? So y'all, for today, for blush, I'm going to use the Colourpop My Type blush. I can't find my Becca Blush Trio palette. That's what I normally use for my foundation routine. But we're going to be using this today. It still works because it's still a part of my foundation routine. I do this all the time. But you just want to make sure that you're a little bit lighter with this blush. So for lips, I'm going to take Sweet Tea by Morphe. So originally I did go in with Sweet Tea by Morphe, but then I changed it up to Colourpop BFF4. I like Colourpop BFF3 and BFF4. Of course, BFF4 is a little bit darker. Now we're going to go in with Quickie by Makeup Shayla and Colourpop, their collab. So the lips are pretty much on. I'm going to go in and set my face with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This has really changed my makeup routine as well. I'm going to cover up my eyes because I don't want my lashes to do nothing crazy. So yeah, we're just going to go ahead and spray this. So I'm going to go in with Addiction. This right here, girl, by Laura Mercier. Get it. Don't wait. Get it. You need this in your life. You need this in your life, period. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose just a little bit. I may do like a 3-in-1, so I may show you guys what I'm wearing. But yeah, let's just go ahead and finish out the look. But we're giving, okay? This is my updated foundation routine and I'm loving it. Okay guys, so that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed my updated foundation routine. Okay, we came to a slay per usual. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, girl, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share some love in the comment section because you guys know I love when you guys comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And also make sure that you share this video if you did enjoy it. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one.